Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to teach you something very important. A lot of Garmin GPS units, when you run an update, the update fails and you will have a message that says system file missing or system file not found, or it will loop and the Garmin logo restarts and restarts and it never boots up, and how to fix that. Okay, so let's learn how to fix this. You need two files, and for each exact Garmin it's a different file, but I'm gonna give you the samples for Garmin Nuvi 760 and 750, but the file that I'm gonna put the link, it's just for 750, not for other Garments, so do not use it on any other Garments. 50 and 60 you can use it, and once you load this it will be up and running again and your Garmin will no longer be a brick. Okay, so let's see. So when I turn this on, as you can see, when I turn on this Garmin, it goes to that Garmin screen and it shuts off. Just watch. Shuts off. Sometimes it says system file missing, and this is how we fix it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, you need to have the two files that you see on the screen, on the upper right corner of the screen. You need to have those two files, and once you have those files, you simply plug in, put this in the lock mode. Remember, it's very important to put this in the lock mode. Put your hand in the upper right corner and plug this in, but not yet. First, what you need to do before you plug this in, you see this file right here, you drag this file on top of this file, both of which are provided for you, and then click yes. This is a little that says, are you sure you want to run it? Yes, I want to run it, and I'm gonna put this here so you can see. Now choose USB, but notice no USB devices detected. Now once you put this in the lock mode, put your hand here and plug this in. Okay, watch how the USB will be detected now. Okay, watch right here, wait for it. There you go. Now click OK, click yes, and you can remove your finger now. Just wait. See the system file loading, loader is loading and what have you. Let it finish. Just wait patiently, let it finish. It's loading the software, as you can see. Okay, so 15 seconds remaining. As you can see, this bar is moving. Okay, update is successful. Now I click OK and I'm done from there. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply load this normally, plug this in. I don't need to do the PC sync. Let me turn this off. Okay, so there it is. Let's see. And it's fully functional. Let me increase the display brightness. Fully functional and operational after the restart and what have you. So I'm gonna leave both files for you so you can fix your Garmin Nuvi 760. Okay, now this was for Garmin Nuvi 750 and 60, but the files that I'm going to leave for you is going to work for other models of Garmin, like Nuvi 1200, 1300, and all that. They're all different files, but they will work for all of them. Thank you.